Monday, March 24th, Game 2. Got the blizzard ahead. This game just ended. Pretty thrilling conclusion. Long story short, it's a 1-1 ball game, overtime, shootout. There's another goal. Round 1, both teams scored in the shootout. Round 2 of the shootout, neither team scored. Round 3, Ben Bowling legendarily denied. Nathan Miller made a very similar move. Made it look a lot easier and really just rolled it in casually. It was pretty dramatic. I liked it. Okay, let's wait to begin here. Zachary Betts lays it up over there. Still loose. Alright, I'm going to start calling him legs. His shorts. Takes a big shot. Ooh, deflected. That's a goal. Nice little cut. That was risky. But his team collectively crapped their pants when they saw that empty net. Nice little flip to Zach Betts here. Lucky deflection over to the stick of bowling. Oh, that's not bowling. 69, my God. Hilarious. Trying to read the number of Robinson. No, that was a nice rip.
No!
Yo, what's up, Jim?
What's up, man?
How you doing? Yeah. Did you score in the shootout? I thought you did. Yeah. It was slick. Yeah, round one. That's right. That was a hell of a game to watch, dude. You guys both scored in the first round of the shootout. Neither one of you scored in the second round of the shootout. Ben Bowman tries to get an extra bonus out there. Denied. And then Nathan does the exact same move. And it goes in. Yeah, that was a good one to watch.
I'm just glad we got a point out of it.
Oh, absolutely. That's a good point.
They were...
Okay. Standing wise, you mean? Okay. No, I like watching both you guys in the pack play. I don't really know too many of these guys. I guess there's a few spread around, but
Get my dick shot over here?
maybe.
In the first period?
Maybe. That'll be on the uncensored version. Did you play the ice hockey tournament? I don't think I saw yet. Yeah, I didn't think so.
I'm playing in May.
Okay, sick. Which one?
I think it's the Like a Link, I think.
Are you guys going to be the tips or what? Okay, cool. Oh, sick.
Ball hockey team.
Okay. Oh, nice pass. A little bit too far ahead of him, but. Ooh, nice move there. So what do you sort from something in the game or all day working and shit? What do you need? Oh, gotcha. Man, I don't know. That doesn't register with me, Sean. What's going on, dude? That was a hell of a game to watch, dude. That was awesome. Dramatic overtime shootout win. That was dope. Yeah, it was awesome. It was awesome getting to the shootout. Oh. over the line.
I was getting a little mad. I was like, why wasn't somebody else challenging Benny? But
Yeah, Parm took one in the balls, I guess. Was it was it like 50% shaft, 50% balls? This matters. This matters. The entire ball, yeah. It was.
what's off the 95%
The connection area. Yeah, I love it. Oh, shoot. Oh, good idea. Thinking about the drifter in front.
I thought I had a heart on it.
That may be good for your opponents.
Get hot! Get out there and watch them play. I was going to go up there Friday night.
Yeah, Sean, did you show up?
No,
You did?
I had like one open weekend for the first time. Like,
Heck yeah. Yeah.
I would love it.
Understood.
They wrap for
What? It's amazing.
They also had like a Vegas trip. Bobby was saying that she was here with some people in the crowd.
Ooh, he had it wide open net, but not the right angle.
Well, the real controversy was that someone from our table won.
Oh, good stick there. Shanks, a missed pass back. Oh, he doesn't get it through the feet entirely. That was so cool. Yeah, it was a pretty dope setup. Frankie had his home in the back. Yeah, he brought his van and he was burning wood up there. He slept out there. I went and hung out a little bit. Decent weather. Oh, dude, it was hilarious. I saw your face.
Remember in I was about to call out from Waterboy when Adam Sandler's like first learning to play football and he was like trying to tackle. He's like, and somebody's like, I think he's trying to kick with you.
That's amazing.
Definitely not.
Ring around. "15 seconds left in the period." Nine. Oh. 5, 4, 3. Wide. All right, end of the first.
You got too
1-0.
much tape on your stick, Rudy. You got too much tape on your stick. That's why I went left.
Too much tape.
Indy.
Sean, have you still been skating here and there?
Yeah.
With blades? Badass.
My daughter's also doing lessons. I do lessons with her.
Oh, holy cow! Yeah.
It's fun. We're not like actively skating now, but up until like a month ago, we were skating.
Very cool.
Like, in next fall, she'll be 5, and I'll start her in hockey.
I was gonna say that's how a lot of people get started. Like in my circles, is their kids will play and they'll help out and coach and they'll get the bug and then they'll start playing and shit. Yeah.
You know, I was getting a little worried because where we were learning to skate was predominantly like ice skating, figure skating type thing. They didn't have like the toe picks. Yeah, the toe picks.
Oh yes.
Anyway, so I asked her, like, hey, she's like, I want to skate, so I asked her.
What kind of skates do you want? These or these?
I was like, well, because she has a favorite teacher. I was like, well, okay, do you want to keep your like the road categories, or do you want to do hockey? She was like, I want to do hockey. I was like, oh, all right. Next fall, we'll get you all geared up and we'll get you.
Hell yeah.
But I hopped out there on a Friday night when they just had like a link and were playing. They did a matchup. They're all like C or D level. I was bad, but I didn't feel out.
That's dope.
He could have got it. He's faster than that. Don't let him fool you. He didn't actively go for the ball.
Yeah.
Hey, you're faster than that. Come on, you could have got there.
Coulda, didn't. If he wins this draw, it's 66. He's Stillerman. Oh, right through the legs. All right, nice. Traffic in front of the net. That's what you want to see. That
Take
hair,
all that back. That was a good shot.
that hair and flowing out the back, looking like Billy Ray Cyrus. It's gorgeous. Did you know that Billy Ray Cyrus had an action movie? It was in like the year 2000.
Oh, yeah?
I forget what it's called, but I have to see it. I'm pretty sure it's on Tubi. Everything stupid and weird is on Tubi. Trust me, because I watch a lot of it. Oh, guys, did you guys see so the really tall, skinny guy? Look at his tiny little shin guards. It looks like they're infant soccer guards, but his legs are like 6 feet long. No, they are hacking a little bit.
These are the two refs that won't call him.
Get that a little elevated, and yeah, that could have been a goal. Lizard guy needs to like angle his stick or something. Let it ramp up that blade. I bet it's really easy with a ball to like ramp up over the blade, like maybe over the pads.
It's easy to overdo it too. Yeah.
I could, well, for sure.
Did Frank get hurt? Why is he not hurt? Frank doesn't get hurt.
Is he here?
He's right. He's on the bench. He's not dressed. He's going black.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, I looked right past him. That's interesting. Well, he played in the tournament too. Maybe something happened to him. But if he's here, you think he's just playing? I don't know. We'll have to talk to him later. Still has it. Oh, that was a cool little double flip thing in a jiggy. Wide.
wasn't sure if he was making a he's trying to send it.
It's still in the zone. Still in. .31 just going for it, dude. Still in. Rips it. Oh, broken up by Robinson. Ooh, not sure what happened there. Maybe it was a little bit too far behind him. I couldn't quite tell.
Ice! That's icy! He's right here. Behind the line!
Oh, nice pass. Still in. Nice play. Oh, broken up. You got plenty of room in front of you. Oh! He's like, should I move? No, I'm not going to move an inch. I'm just going to blast this ball right into the net. Cool. No problem done. That dude's always scoring or making a beautiful pass. 66.
He was giving us like a whole history of ball hockey.
He was?
Yeah, and the rest of the year.
Oh, that's dope. Hilarious. Good for him. Yeah, he's
He's only played on done like roller.
interesting. Interesting.
All the back to
Yeah, right? Oh, shoot. It goes in. All right, it goes in. Is that 2-0? 2-1.
Jake, doesn't matter. You weren't day drinking all day, so you're just like blowing it up. You weren't day drinking today, so you're just like blowing it up.
It just kind of like landed on Betts' stick. He's like, yeah, I guess I'll take this. And get a good shot. Ooh, good idea. Missed its mark. Icing call. Yeah. Absolutely. Good chat with you, Sean. I'll see you around. All right, he's a home. Sean Baird, 53. He's a beauty. Kind of shanks it, but it still gets to the net. It's on the zone. Didn't get a good look at that. Flips it up over him. Deflected. It's his own rebound. Nice. Ring around, but it doesn't have enough power to make it to the D-man. Uh-oh, we may have an odd man rush with Polimus. Yeah, he knows how to run. Look at those legs. He knows how to run. Look at him go. Oh, he had to try to wrap the stick around his body. Icing ball. Ripped hard. Hits the man on the bench. Bong. End of the second period, 2-1. Blizzard lead. 24th, game 2. Naptown Knightmare versus the Blizzard. Blizzard are up 2-1 after 2 periods. Fresh 13 on the clock. Here we go. Look at those little legs fly. Just a little bit wide. It's a goal, wow. Way far out. Number 10 shoots it, scores. That ties it up. Blizzard were ahead 2-1, 2-2 ball game now. Pass by number 10, celebrated by his teammates. They're pumped. Game tying goal. We have us a ball game here in the third now. Assisted 18 to Sunstream. They get another one. 2 quick rapid fire goals for the Knightmare. Blizzard don't know what hit them. Ooh, nice play there. Oh, okay. Flips it up high. Caught in the gut. Oh, goal by Creed. Ties it right back up. Creed's answers 3-3. 3-3 in the third period. another goal by Treves. Wow. Felt like a replay. Ooh, deflected up high. Nice. Ooh, sniping for the corner. back. Yep. Ooh, nice pressure. Strips it away. Nice hustle play for the hyphen man. Hyphen person. I don't know. Do we have a timeout? Minute 49 left in the third period and left in the game. 4-3. No, Treeps is second goal. Oh, wow, nice shot. Nice effort, D. Still offside. Yeah.
Did it go out over there?
Yeah.
Okay. You saw that.
20 seconds.
Come on!
Empty net. All right, game over. Blizzard, pull it off. Darren Treves, 2 goals, gets my #1 star. 4-3. End of third period. Signing off.